How is everyone doing today? It's mystery license plate package 304. I'm Wooly, the crazy license plate guy. It's time for another mystery package. We better find one. Got it. It's light. I wonder what it's gonna be. Like I keep telling you, if you want to see all the golden goods, know everything about this plate and other plates like it and that and that and this and that, make sure you're on YouTube, Wooly the crazy license plate guy. If not, it's all good though. But for now, let's see what's in mystery plate package 304. Oh, it's red and white. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Any ideas? Oh, it's heavy. Nebraska. We got the Nebraska. I don't know what it is. It's got a house on it. Hey, Ryan the Scavenger, are you watching? What's this Nebraska plate for? 3860. Red and white. We'll look it up. We'll see what we can find. But that's in the special features. So Ryan, drop a comment. Everyone go check out Ryan the Scavenger. He's got a sweet YouTube page. And follow us over to YouTube, Wooly the crazy license plate guy. While we find out more about this Nebraska. Because I don't know. Other than it's got some warpy warp to it. We're going to put it next to the BC sample, I think. Right there. How about that? Beautiful place, right? You guys can only corner to see it. You see part of it? It's there. It's there. Mystery plate package. 304! I'm Wooly the crazy license plate guy. I'll see you in the special features. Woo! Special features. Mystery plate package. 304. We got that Nebraska plate up there with the corn huskers. I didn't even have to ask Ryan what it was. I figured it out. It's corn huskers. Yeah, their foosball team. Ryan the Scavenger. Check him out on YouTube. He's got a sweet page. Scavenging, growing watermelons, collecting veteran plates, all kinds of good stuff. But subscribe to my channel first. Anyways, seems like the Cornhuskers couldn't make up their mind. We got this plate up here, 3860, but it's like somewhere in the middle of all the plates they've done over the years. Starting with this one above my head, 1149. Cornhuskers, that's their first one. Then we got 176. They got the state shape in there, kind of rocking out. A little different plate again, though. And then we're going to flip it up again. The sun's out. Check that one out. Almost the same as last one. A little bit personalized. A little bit different. Then we got 670. It's kind of cool, right? Another one. Another different one. These guys can't decide. Like every few years, we need a new license plate. We're not winning in ticket sales. We got to win selling license plates. We need a new Huskers plate. So the next one, 4690, Go Big Red. I thought it was Go Big Green. Anyways, Go Big Red, Cornhuskers, they're kicking ass, taking names. We got like two more to show you. Tom. Tom's hanging out on this one. Tom, you're a tool. Anyways, that's all I got to say about that. And one more to show you. 8608, flat. It's got the stadium in the background. Same as this one above my head, only way nicer looking. So that's it. Nebraska State University. The Cornhuskers. They're kicking ass, taking name, playing football all over the place. The foosball players. So that's mystery plate package 304. Special features. I'm Wooly the crazy license plate guy. Have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year. Go watch some foosball, get into trouble, find some cool old stuff, go on an adventure, do something neat, watch all my videos. Do whatever you want, it's your life. But hit that subscribe button. Okay, I'm out of here. I got a war to conquer. Woo! Again, thanks for watching. Shout out to Alpka, alpka.org for letting me access the archives and share some of these awesome plates with you. Who knew there were so many Cornhuskers out there? Anyways, alpka.org, sign up today. There's the website flashing above your face. get access to the archives, make all these cool license plate friends, and enjoy the corn husking. Okay, I'm out of here.